Hey loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Wendy Aneta, and today in this video I'll be teaching you how to get your brows done. Very easy steps. So first of all, I lay down my brow hairs with an edge control, and then I go ahead to set it with a setting powder. I use a normal pencil. Just ensure that your pencil is properly sharpened, and then please just outline your shape of, or rather the shape of your brows. Just follow the outline of the shape of your brows, and then give it light strokes so that your brows don't end up looking like those box brows. So this is the step a lot of us miss out on. Do ensure that you brush those brows properly. Use your spoolie to brush out every edge and corner of this brow. Use a light shade of concealer and a dark shade of concealer. The light shade of concealer for the outer part of your brows, and the light shade darker shade for the inner corners of your brows. This helps you blend easily. Do well to blend this properly so that you do not have any demarcated lines. This is the point a lot of us mess up. Once you're done outlining your brows and then using a concealer to clean the lower part of your brows, it's time to do the top. But the thing about doing this top is that once you mess it up, your whole makeup will be ruined. Not like, because you start to adjust it. So if you get a perfect shape of brows, please do skip this part. But if you also know what you're doing and you do this part, it's really very beautiful because it gives definition. Ensure you blend this after doing the top. Blend everything properly so that you do not have any demarcated lines or harsh lines. Look at that pretty girl. That pretty girl with good attitude. Yeah, use your powder. You can use your face powder or your setting powder to just set everything, and voila, we're looking cute. Oh, cutie. So if you did stay to the end of this video, please do like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.